Hey there, it's Lisa with Easy Federal Resumes and More, and I'm excited about starting a new playlist called Smart Talk. And it's going to be in addition to the content that I already provide, but also give me a way to answer you directly to your questions as well as the comments below, but share them across the channel so that we're sure that everyone is sharing in what is the ultimate knowledge experience for you to get your foot in the door with the federal government as well as keep it there and thrive. So irrespective of where you've asked a question, you could have asked a question over in security clearance, or you could be a veteran asking a question with regards to veterans benefits and not know that all of those things tie together in your federal application process. Because what's important is your characters, KSAs, knowledge, skills, and abilities, but also your character. All those things combined make you the prime candidate. So I don't want you to think that it's only about your 5,000 characters and putting in that job description, but it's about everything that you put into that application, from the rooter to the pooter. And what you put in is what comes out. But we want that to be healthy, not only for the federal government, but healthy for you too, because it matters to me how successful you are, not only in getting your job, but how successful you are in your career. Because I want you to make the federal government your benefactor and not you a dependent on it. And how do we do that? We start from the very beginning, from how you get in, and then how you use that resources, all of your resources, while you're in. So Smart Talk is all about just having that casual, impromptu conversation. But what makes it good is your participation. So send me those questions. Send it to easyfederalresumes@gmail.com. So let's look at a question that I received. I received this question under your career ladder. A young lady by the name of Perez stated, "Thank you. Could you please explore social worker profession with the federal government?" To which I responded that I absolutely will. And what I do when someone makes that request, say you will have a Work Wednesday idea that you would like me to explore, I literally explore the profession both on the federal government side as well as the civilian side so that I can bring the combination of the two to you. So yes, I am going to be doing a video on social work. Now, the next one came from a person by the last name of Harrell, or at least that's their sign name. It was on the Quiet Quit video. And it says, "I'm enjoying your videos and you've given me motivation to start looking at federal careers for myself." That is what this channel is all about. And I'm so happy to hear that, because I'm motivated and I want you to be motivated. When I worked as a Veterans Employment Representative, there were so many individuals who simply thought that working for the federal government was not for them. It was out of reach. It was only for people that had degrees. It was only for people who knew someone. No, it is for people like me. It is for people like you. And that's what this channel is all about. And just thinking about another comment that I received from a viewer who said, "This is a godsend," to which I responded by saying that that's the best compliment that I could ever receive, because I believe that God is in all things. And I know He's right here with me and sharing everything that I have in terms of my knowledge, skills, and abilities with you. So next question, Miss Orr, and she states, "What if you don't remember every supervisor you've had from years ago?" Now, I've said in maybe this video or maybe in another video, what they're looking for is 10 years of experience. Now, on the application process, they're asking you for 7 years. And the reason why I say 10 years is because when you go up against your security clearance they're going to ask for 10 years. So you might as well be prepared for 10 years rather than 7 years. And you might very well not remember all of your employees or all of your supervisors. So what if you have an employer that you don't remember the supervisor, or you don't remember the address, let's say? Take the initiative to Google it to find out the address, even if the institution has closed. Find out where it was. If you don't remember the supervisor, write a common name, say, I'm not saying Jane Doe, but write a common name, and it's always going to ask you to call you first in terms of contacting your supervisor. It is at that point that you can say, I don't remember the individual's name. And if they should choose to pursue that individual's name, they can certainly contact the institution or the organization or the company that you worked for to find out. Okay, this one is for another female. Go girls. She's saying that she just got a job offer and she's very excited to start, to which I say, congratulations. That's what this channel is all about. And we have some individuals that are already working for the federal government. We have had some feedback from people that have stated that they've just started, they got a job offer or they're starting their job. And that's no reason to leave Easy Federal Resumes at all, because that's what the more is about. Again, it's about having a successful career and making the government work for you as you are going to work for it. So hats off, thumbs up, way to go to Palmer, because she just got an offer and she's going to be working and is excited about working for the federal government soon. So this is an example of what Smart Talk is going to be about. Hopefully I'm talking directly to you and you'll be talking directly to me through your emails and your comments. So until next time, as I always say, bye-bye, smart people.